Hello students, in previous video we have seen examples on exercise 5.4. Today we are going to the next part, scalar triple product. Definition paha. We define the scalar product of three vectors a bar, b bar and c bar. Here order is important, which is denoted by square bracket a bar, b bar, c bar and is defined as a bar dot b bar cross c bar. इथे थ्री वेक्टर्स आहेत ए बार बी बार सी बार आणि ऑर्डर इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट अँड दी स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट इज डिनोटेड बाय इन स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट ए बार बी बार सी बार अँड डेफिनेशन इज ए बार डॉट बी बार क्रॉस सी बार फॉर ए बार इज इक्वल टू ए वन आई कैप प्लस ए टू जे कैप प्लस ए थ्री के कैप, बी बार इज इक्वल टू बी वन आई कैप प्लस बी टू जे कैप प्लस बी थ्री के कैप एंड सी बार इज इक्वल टू सी वन आई कैप प्लस सी टू जे कैप प्लस सी थ्री के कैप. Therefore, the scalar triple product a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to the determinant a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and c1, c2, c3. The scalar triple product is also called as box product. Scalar triple product लाच काय म्हणायचं तर box product. Properties of scalar triple product. Using the properties of determinant, we get following properties of scalar triple product. First, a cyclic change of vectors a bar, b bar, c bar in a scalar triple product does not change its value. That is, the box product a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to box product of b bar, c bar, a bar is equal to box product of c bar, a bar, b bar. जे इथं काय दिलेलं आहे, cyclic change of vectors a bar, b bar, c bar in the scalar triple product does not change its value. म्हणजे इथं व्हॅल्यू चेंज होत नाही. This follows a cyclic change is equivalent to interchanging a pair of rows in the determinant 2 times. Second, a single interchange of vectors in scalar triple product changes the sign of its value. That is, the box product of a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to minus box product of b bar, a bar, c bar is equal to minus box product of c bar, a bar is equal to minus box product of a bar, c bar, b bar. तर काय, in scalar triple product a single interchange of vectors changes the sign of its value. एक सिंगल जर इंटरचेंज केला तर काय त्याची त्या व्हॅल्यूची साईन चेंज होणार आहे. This follows as interchange of any two rows changes the value of determinant by sign only. Third, if a row of determinant can be expressed as linear combination of other rows, then the determinant is 0. Using this fact, we get following properties. The scalar triple product of vectors is 0 if any of the following is true. First, one of the vectors is 0 vector. Second, any two vectors are collinear. And third is the three vectors are coplanar. जर ह्या तिन्ही काय असतील, ट्रू असतील केसेस, जे ह्या तिन्हीपैकी कोणती एक केस जर ट्रू असेल तर काय असणार आहे, स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ व्हेक्टर हा 0 असणार आहे. फोर्थ, an interchange of dot and cross in a scalar triple product does not change its value. That is, a bar dot b bar cross c bar is equal to in bracket a bar cross c bar dot product with c bar. This is followed by property 1 and the commutative of dot product. इथं काय आहे तर इन स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट चेंज हा डॉट आणि क्रॉसने केला तर त्याच्या व्हॅल्यू चेंज होत नाही. Next, theorem only statement without proof. Statement is the volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges as a bar, b bar and c bar is box product of a bar, b bar, c bar. आपल्याला एक्झाममध्ये क्वेश्चन काय असणार आहे तर फाइंड दी व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ पॅरलेलोपिपेड. फॉर्म्युला काय यूज करायचा तर व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ दी पॅरलेलोपिपेड इज इक्वल टू बॉक्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए बार, बी बार, सी बार. Theorem number 10. Here again only statement without proof. Statement पहा. The volume of tetrahedron with coterminous edges A bar, B bar and C bar is 1/6 into box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. एक्झाम्पल विचारताना काय विचारणार? फाइंड दी व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रॉन आणि फॉर्म्युला कोणता यूज करायचा तर 1/6 इंटू बॉक्स प्रोडक्ट ऑफ A bar, B bar, C bar. Now see the examples on exercise 5.5. Example is find A bar dot B bar cross C bar if A bar is equal to 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, B bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap and C bar is equal to minus 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Solution. Given that A bar is equal to 3i cap minus j cap given that A bar is equal to 3i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, B bar is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap and C bar is equal to minus 5i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. And then find out A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Consider A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to the determinant. Coefficients of A bar are 3, minus 1, 4. B bar 2, 3, minus 1 and C bar are minus 5, 2, 3. Expand the determinant. A bar, therefore A bar dot B bar cross C bar is equal to 3 in bracket 3 into 3 9 minus minus plus 1 into 2 is 2 minus of minus 1 in bracket 3 into 2 6 minus 5 into minus 1 that is plus 5 plus 4 in bracket 2 into 2 4 minus 5 into 3 minus 15 that is minus plus 15 which is equal to 3 in bracket 9 plus 2 11 minus plus 6 minus 5 is 1 in bracket 1 plus 4 in bracket 15 plus 4 19 which is equal to 11 into 3 33 plus 1 plus 9 into 4 76 which is equal to 33 plus 11 plus 76 which is equal to 6 plus 1 7 7 plus 3 10 0 8 8 plus 3 11 1 1 0. A bar dot B bar cross C bar is 1 1 0. See the example. If the vectors 3i cap plus 5k cap, 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap and 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap are the coterminous edges of the parallelepiped, then find the volume of the parallelepiped. parallelepiped. In this example, three vectors are given. Suppose these three vectors are a bar, b bar and c bar, and then find out the volume of the parallelepiped. Formula for volume of parallelepiped is box product of a bar, b bar and c bar. See the solution. Let a bar is equal to 3i cap plus 5k cap, b bar is equal to 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and c bar is equal to 3i cap plus j cap plus 4k cap. We know that volume of parallelepiped is equal to the box product a bar, b bar, c bar, and the box product is the determinant 3, 0, 5, 4, 2, minus 3, 3, 1, 4. Expand this determinant. Therefore, volume of parallelepiped is equal to 3 in bracket 4 into 2 8 minus plus 1 into 3 minus 0 in bracket 4 into 4 16 minus plus 3 into 3 9 plus 5 in bracket 4 minus 6, which is equal to 3 in bracket 11 minus 0 into something is 0 plus 5 in bracket minus 2. 3 into 11 33 minus 0 plus minus 5 into 2 10, that is 23. Therefore, the volume of parallelepiped is equal to 23 cubic units. Example पहा. If the vectors minus 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap, I cap plus 2k cap and I cap minus pj cap are coplanar, then find the value of p. In this example given that the vectors are coplanar and then find the value of p. Coplanar, the given vectors are coplanar, therefore the box product is 0, that is take the determinant is equal to 0, we get the value of p. See the solution. First, suppose the vectors, let the vectors a bar is equal to minus 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap, b bar is equal to I cap plus 2k cap and c bar is equal to I cap minus pj cap. Then the vectors are, a bar, b bar, c bar are coplanar. Therefore, the box product is 0, a bar, b bar, c bar is equal to 0, which is equal to, the box product is the determinant minus 3, 4, minus 2, 1, 0, 2, 1 minus p 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, expand the bracket for LHS. Minus 3 in bracket 0 minus plus 2p minus 4 in bracket 0 minus 1 into 2 2 plus minus 2 in bracket minus 1 into p minus 0, which is equal to 0. Therefore minus 3 into 2p, that is minus 6p, minus minus plus 4 into 2 8, minus plus 2p is equal to 0. Therefore minus 6p plus 2p is minus 4p plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore 4p is equal to minus 4p is equal to minus 8. Therefore 4p is equal to 8. Therefore p is equal to 8 by 4. Therefore p is equal to 2. Therefore the value of p is 2. See the example. Find the volume of a tetrahedron whose vertices are a in bracket minus 1 2 3, b in bracket 3 minus 2 1, c in bracket 2 1 3, and d in bracket minus 1 minus 2 4. Here find out volume of tetrahedron, and given that the vertices are a b c d. See the solution. The position vectors a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar of the points a, b, c, d with respect to origin are a bar is equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, b bar is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, c bar is equal to 2I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap, d bar is equal to minus I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Then first find out AB bar. AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar, which is equal to B bar is 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap minus A bar is minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, which is equal to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap minus minus plus I cap plus minus minus 2j cap plus minus minus 3k cap, which is equal to 3I cap plus I cap 4I cap minus 2j cap minus 2j cap minus 4j cap plus k cap minus 3k cap minus 2k cap. Since AB bar is equal to 4I cap minus 4j cap minus 2k cap. Then AC bar is equal to C bar minus A bar is equal to C bar is 2I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap minus A bar is minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, which is equal to 2I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap minus minus plus I cap minus 2j cap plus minus minus 3k cap is equal to 2I cap plus I cap 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 j cap is minus j cap plus 3 k cap minus 3 k cap 0 k cap. Therefore AC bar is equal to 3 I cap minus j cap minus 0 k cap. Then AD bar is equal to D bar minus A bar is equal to D bar is minus I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap minus A bar is minus I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, which is equal to minus I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap minus minus plus I cap plus minus minus 2 j cap plus minus minus 3 k cap, which is equal to minus I cap plus I cap 0 I cap minus 2 j cap minus 2 j cap minus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap minus 3 k cap is k cap. Therefore AD bar is equal to 0 I cap minus 4 j cap plus k cap. And then we know the formula for volume of tetrahedron. We know that volume of tetrahedron is equal to 1 by 6 into the box product AB bar, AC bar, AD bar, which is equal to 1 by 6. Box product is the determinant. AB bar 4 minus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 4 minus 2. AC bar 3 minus 1 0, 0 minus 4 1. Expand the determinant 1 by 6 in bracket 4 in bracket minus 1 minus 0 minus of minus 4 in bracket 3 minus 0 plus minus 2 in bracket minus 12 minus minus plus 0 whole bracket complete. 1 by 6 in bracket 4 minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, that is minus 4, minus minus plus 4, 4 into 3 12 minus minus plus 12 into 2 24, which is equal to 1 by 6 in bracket 24 plus 12 36, 36 minus 4 32. Therefore volume of tetrahedron is equal to 32 by 6, that is 2 into 3, 2 1 6, that is 16 by 3. Therefore volume of tetrahedron is 16 by 3 cubic units.